the last and the final award, the class topper for Dr. Ravi Teja P.
Thank you, sir, and fondly referred to as Oxford of Karnataka. The pioneer behind this and passion in service towards mankind has marked a great milestone in the field of education in Karnataka. Sir, I request you to bless the second batch of graduates of SSIMS and RC and enlighten the gathering.
ನಾಳೆ ಸಭೆಯಿಂದ ನಿರ್ಗಮಿಸತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕುಲಸಚಿವರು ಆರ್ ಯು ಜಯೇಶ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಿ ಪ್ರಿಯಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಿ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ರವರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಮಿತ್ರರಾದ ಅತನಿ ವೀರಣ್ಣವರೇ, ಪಿ ಎಚ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಬಣಕಾರ್ ಅವರೇ, ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಶಶಿಕಲಾರವರೇ, ಅರುಣ್ ರವರೇ, ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ದಿವಸ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಾಗಿ 5 ವರ್ಷಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಗದವರೇ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ವರ್ಗದವರೇ, ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯವರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಮಹನೀಯರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರೇ, ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. ಇದು 2ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಸಮಾರಂಭ. 2ನೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಶುಭವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲರು ನನಗೆ ಗೌರವಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಾಫು ಕೂಡ. ಅದರಂತೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನದಾದ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹೊಣೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ, ಬಡವರ ನೋವನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಲಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮದಾದ್ರ ಭಾವನೆ. ಇದು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬರೀ MBBS ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾತನಾಡೋದವರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೀಗ PG ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಿ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಲೆವೆಲ್ನ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ, ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಚಾರ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಾಗಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀಟನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಉತ್ತೀರ್ಣರಾಗಿ ಜನಗಳ ಸೇವೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೆಲಸ, ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಆ ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯುತವಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ನಮಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನೀವು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಗಂಡು ಹುಡುಗಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಇದೆ. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ 50 ಜನ ಹುಡುಗರಿಂದ 53 ಜನ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮುಂದುವರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅತ್ಯಾಚಾರಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ದಿವಸ ನಾವು ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ. ನೀವು ಈಗ ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತರಾದರೆ ಅಂಥದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಧೈರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಧೈರ್ಯವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿ, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಂಜದಂತೆ ಧೈರ್ಯವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನರ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ನನಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ವರ್ಗದವರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಗೊಂಬೆಯನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿರೋದು ನನ್ನ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ನನಗಿದೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಿ ಜಿಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ನೀವು ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಳ್ವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಶಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಶುಭವನ್ನು ಕೋರಿ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಜೈ ಜೈ.
Thank you, sir. Member, Bapuji Education Association. Thank you, sir, for being here. Our chairman gracing this occasion. I request the graduate. A bar of iron costs rupees 250. Made into a horseshoe, its worth is rupees 1000. Made into needles, its worth is rupees 10,000. Made into balance spring for watches, its worth is rupees 1 million. So get going.
It is said since ancient times to the doctors, treat the sick to the best of one's ability, preserve patient privacy, and teach the secrets of medicine to the next generation, and so on. These are the few words of the Hippocratic Oath, which is one of the oldest binding documents in history. Cross the right arm and hold it over the chest as you pledge the oath. Dr. Shashikala.
From SS Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Center. We as doctors need to abide by ethics, which is moral philosophy, which led forward to a revolution in medicine, and what better way to honor him than to abide by his original teachings. I request all of you, the second batch of graduates from our esteemed college, to embrace the Hippocratic Oath, swearing upon a number of healing gods, swearing to practice medicine ethically and to uphold a number of professional ethical standards. Please repeat after me. I and goddesses that according to my ability and judgment, I will keep this oath and this stipulation. To reckon him who taught me this art equally dear to me as my parents, to share my substance with him, to look up his offspring in the same footing as my own brothers, and to teach them this art if they shall wish to learn it, without fee or stipulation, and that by precept, lecture, and every other mode of instruction. I will impart a knowledge of the art to my own sons and those of my teachers, and to disciples bound by a stipulation and oath, according to the law of medicine, but to none others. I will follow that system of regimen which, according to my ability and judgment, steadily medicine to anyone if asked, nor suggest any such counsel. With purity and with holiness, I will pass my life and practice my art. I will not cut persons laboring under the stone, but will leave this to be done by men who are practitioners of this work. Into whatever houses I enter, I will go into them for the benefit of the sick, and will abstain from every voluntary act of mischief and corruption. Whatever in connection with my professional practice are not in connection with it, I see or hear in the life of men which ought not to be spoken of abroad, I will not divulge as reckoning that all such should be kept secret. While I continue to keep this oath unviolated, may it be granted to me to enjoy life and the practice of the art. I have an awesome responsibility to safeguard the life of the patient and the society. So requesting each one of you to follow the Hippocratic oath you have taken wholeheartedly, and for it to penetrate the core of you to be in practice forever. Thank you.
Sir, I request you to declare the certificate recipients as graduates.
Good evening to one and all. Dignitaries on the dais, dignitaries off the dais, faculty members, fellow students, their parents, relatives, invitees and press. With all the learning and training you have had, there comes an awesome responsibility. As doctors, we will have great authority and power in which we can literally decide the fate of other people. With this role comes respect, prestige, and yes, of course, even money. We have made many sacrifices to get to this point. We have given up the best years of our lives to sit in classrooms, learning the nuances of the human body. We have suspended other careers, and yet the greatest example of self-sacrifice as a physician is to give away all of that talent for free. It's a universal symbol of healing and knowledge. You all look at your white coat, knowing that one stage of your training is almost finished, and now that you are about to embark upon the next journey. And whether medicine is a calling or simply an interesting job, you look at this old white coat, knowing that soon you are all going to be doctors. As Senate and Syndicate member, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, and thereby the power vested upon me, I am honored to be given the chance, and I do hereby declare the second batch of SSI, MS and RC, the class of 2007, as graduates. Congratulations and God bless. Thank you.
And our teachers and beloved parents and my dear friends. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guru Namah. Which means a teacher is equivalent to Lord Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara themselves. We, batch of 2007, were very fortunate to witness this in our institution. and we are extremely lucky to have such teachers. Today, it's an emotion beyond words to see the whole class of 2007 gathered one last time under one roof. It's been a great and joyful journey from wide-eyed, curious, fresh out of college kids to accountable and responsible doctors. We take immense pride to have been studying in this institution, and we assure our teachers that we will be extremely ethical and responsible towards our profession. We would like to take this opportunity to thank our respected chairman for being a strength of pillar and success, and our principal for instilling strict discipline among each and every one of us, and our professors for being the torch bearers and providing us the guiding light. Thank you one and all.
And benevolence that we find ourselves where we are today. Dr. Prem Kumar had to go back to his place because of his family commitments. In his absence, I would definitely like to thank him because of his, in spite of his busy schedule, he had taken his time off to address our young budding doctors. We express our deep sense of gratitude to him and thank him for having come here and given a few words of advice. Dr. Sri Shamanu Shivshankarapaji, the member of the Legislative Assembly, Honorary Secretary, Bapuji Education Association, is such larger than life personality whose generosity, whose wit, time management, graciousness, and simply amazing memory has made him a beacon of light and support for us since the very beginning of this institution. He has been a role model to many, including mine, whose limitless love to his family and his employees is a trait to be admired. In fact, last year, his wish was to have a percentage of more than 95%. Last year it was 92%. In fact, the blessing and the wishes of his has made our 2007 batch to acquire 95% and more. In his absence, I would like to thank on behalf of all the faculty members of SSIMSRC for gracing this occasion. This occasion would not have been complete in his absence. Minister, Karnataka State, Chairman of our Medical College, a young, dynamic, smart leader, an industrialist, educationist, politician, and a visionary, whose vision has converted this 150 acres of barren land into such a beautiful premier institute of this country. We at SSIMSRC faculty extend a heartfelt thanks to our chairman for supporting us in all our endeavors, and we are proud to be working in this premier institute. Mr. A.S. Veerana, Governing Council member, an industrialist, chairman of the MBA College, and a very close associate of Dr. Shamanu Shivshankarapaji. He stands tall in his achievements and sheer dedication to his cause. In his absence, on behalf of the staff members, we thank him also. Dr. Ravindra Bankar, Professor of Ophthalmology, twice a syndicate member, now a senator at Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. He has been a very close and dear friend of mine with a close association of 26 years. Last year, exactly same time, same place, same podium, I had mentioned it as 25 years. This time I'm saying 26 years. A young, charming, intelligent, and a very kind personality, we are honored to have him grace this occasion and declare the honoring of the degrees to our students at SSIMSRC. Thank you very much, Dr. Ravindra Bankar. I request our principal to give a memento as a token of appreciation. Ladies and gentlemen, it must be attributed to the ever-able and willing guidance of our principal, Dr. P. Nagaraj. He has been a continuous source of enthusiasm and encouragement. I am sure he deserves a big round of applause. Thank you. If I do not mention the names of a few who have worked hard for this evening's function, Dr. Shashikala, Dr. B.S. Prasad, Dr. Shiv Kumar, Dr. Kavita, Dr. Rajkumar, Dr. Harish, Dr. Sunita, and if I have missed any, please forgive me. Thank you all very much. of them have traveled long distances to share this beautiful evening with us today. Your thoughts, your prayers, and goodwill have developed and nurtured not just your words, but also the progress of this great institution that has culminated in this grand evening of success, pride, and the promise of a bright future. I'm sure you all must be feeling proud of your children for having succeeded in their dreams of becoming doctors. On behalf of the staff at SSIMSRC, I thank all of you for your continuous support over the last 5 years and your delightful presence today. I thank you all, dear parents. Our students to whom the evening belongs, you have given us teachers a reason to rejoice, to be proud of, and it is with immense hope and joy that I thank you all today for giving us this occasion. And I pray that you carry our thoughts and blessings with you as you take off